Excuse me. So now we're gonna be leaving the Delaware Lookout. Yeah, that's a sneeze, brother. It's not one for the blessings. It's just one for, it's an allergy sneeze. My allergies scream me up all the time. Yeah. So, oh boy.
Let's go. Let's go to our waterfall. We already paid for it. Come on, quickly. The Delaware, that's the Delaware.
What's happened? Oh, your father is still behind you? Oh, yeah. Quack, quack or quick, quick? Or both? Quick, quack and quack, quack? And quick, quick? You guys remember that side?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Bridalveil. So this way, exit this time. Yeah. In the first video, you guys saw the Bacaga waterfall from over on this side, somewhere over there, and now we're just directly on top of it. Now we're gonna exit. That's it. Let me see if I see a fish or crawfish, whatever. Oh, yeah, they got little baby fish. I see some baby fish, yep. You guys will not be able to see it. But I saw it, yeah. Some babies, yep. See how that's settled, the debris settled there? You have the fish would make their homes underneath this. You got crawfish, if there is crawfish. Crawfish would be making their homes underneath this. But that water look, oh, there's a fish. Damn, I see a fish. I don't think you guys would see it, but I saw one. And I can't see it anymore. Yeah, but I saw one. I saw a fish. Oh man. Yeah, I saw one. Let's see if I see another fish. Maybe. Over there.
I'm gonna walk down there a little bit.
Mom, I'm gonna walk down this way and help you out.
What's going on? I look at the one. So it tells me I'm right here. So I'm right here. I just came from here. And I'm here now. So I think I might just do this. Go back home. I think I took the left one here. Let me see.
Ah! I'm gonna put you guys in here. I wanna be on YouTube.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. He said he wants to be on YouTube. This right here. Why not? Why not? Somebody has a walking stick there, a hiking stick. Here you go. There you go. See, yeah, there are some fish in there. They're small. These are some small ones. I can see them with my naked eye, but I don't think the camera will be able to pick them up. So this is number 14. So this is number 14, Upper Canyon. So here we go. We got if you look on that rock, you can still see a little bit of ice on that rock right there. That white thing, that's ice. That's still there. I have no light or anything up here. But that's a little bit. I'll just take out the picture. I'm going to try to go around them. Go around them. It's really well behind it. Amazing, right? These are the steps, guys. These steps are well developed steps, well taken care of, and it allow you to walk very easily. Right?
Je vais te servir ce soir et ça.
Let me put you. So you guys know we're here. We just saw this way. Right here. But we're not gonna go back this way. I don't think I will. I might and then come back. I think I will go up there and then I'll come back. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Let's just go up to. Let's go one more. Let's see if we can do one more. Let's see what happens. Appreciate it. Thank you. You want to go backwards.
Increases his job, okay, but still.
Because next time he won't do that.
Right.
You're in the dog center?
So they say Pinnacle 4. It's a long walk. So we're in 14 minutes. So what I'm going to do